And I'm finally gonna ride this fucking piece of shit beta. I don't even want to, but ZenDiime won't shut the fuck up about it. He says he wants a Pavati boat, and he's got that Polly from Jersey Shore haircut, and he rides a beta. We get it, you like Italian shit.
Got a fucking Japanese boat though.
Does have a Japanese boat. So I'm gonna take this bad Oscar for a rip and see what I think. See if he can talk me into buying one. Then we'll have matching betas.
You can be master betas.
Yeah, we'll get matching riding outfits.
Master beta brothers.
All right, is it warmed up? Oh yeah, listen to that.
Gas,
Does it have a neutral light?
you need to get gas.
For real? Fuck you. Do a quick little walk around. This has got to go. I don't know about that fucking thing. Everything else I like. Factory uncorked. Best factory bike off the showroom floor. Alright, let's hope I don't wreck this thing. Or he gets all my cash I just got. Alright. Beta 2022 Beta 430 RRS. First impressions. Oh god. Wait, what's that? Oh! 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 Man, I feel so much better getting that out of my body. Right on the seat. Leave him a little mark of I was here. I'm done. It's the biggest piece of shit I've ever ridden. I'm over it. He knows I'm bullshitting. Alright, for reals. Let's see what we think of this thing. Well, it feels like a dual sport. No surprises there. The seat is hard as a rock. He had to get the low seat. See what the standing position's like. Yeah, it's very similar to my KTM. I'm a little too hunched over. I'd have to get bar risers. That's pretty much every bike though, so no worries there. Clutch release is towards the end. Oh, it is a hydraulic clutch too. Clutch pull's way easier than my KTM was. KTM would wear my fucking hand out. This one would not. So I like that. Shifting's pretty smooth, man. I fucking love the dash. The dash is so good. Putting this Voyager on here, that was just absolutely brilliant. It's so much better than any other stock dash of it. I like the CR450L's dash pretty well, but it doesn't hold a candle to the Voyager. That is brilliant move by Beta to do that. See if I can find a nail or a screw or something to run over. Get this motherfucker a flat tire. He can buy a new one, rich motherfucker. Plenty to get up and go. Let's ride over to Trailblogger's house. Maybe you'll let me take it around the pasture. Suspension feels fine. I'm sure it's sagging pretty good under my fat ass. Probably need to get stiffer springs, which is every bike for me. Oh yeah, it pulls. It definitely pulls. Let's test out these brakes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, brakes are, oh, real nice. I'm impressed. Are these Brembos? These brakes feel great. I like that they put folding mirrors on here, but I don't like the mirrors. Those would have to go. If the only thing I'm nitpicking is mirrors, then you know we're in pretty good shape. Turn signal indicator. Okay. Let's go see if Trailblogger's home. Probably not on a day like this. Thing feels very solid, very light at the same time. Actually reminds me a lot of the KTM in that regard. Let's test the throttle response, just kind of in general. So let's try some low speed stuff here. Right around with my turn signal on like a dick. It's a little jumpy, not nearly as bad as the 450L, not as smooth as the KTM. Not bad though, I could live with that for sure. Hits immediately, no delay whatsoever. How's this thing feel? Pretty good. I'm in this pasture. I'm looking for some sick jumps to send ZenDiime's bike off of, because it's not mine, so I don't give a fuck. We're gonna send this thing. He's got wires everywhere. How the hell? I gotta go that way? We gotta turn around here. Oh. 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 There goes Trailblogger on his Grizzly 700. Ah, I'm getting dust in my eyes. What are all those? Holy shit, there's some birds. Look at those birds. Those turkeys. Let's take Brandon's bike right through the bushes. Yeah, we're off-roading now. Here we go, boy. Where's all the jumps? I need some sick jumps. Here's a sick jump right here. Look at this. Okay, okay. One sick jump. Trailblogger will show me the path here. A little dusty. Oh shit. Very dusty. I hope your filter's clean. ZenDiime. This thing will lug way down, no problem. Yeah! Sick air! I just got like 4 feet, I think. Let's hope we're recording here. Yeah, we are. Okay. Yeah, feels good off-road. I mean, this is just a... Oh, Trailblogger just got some sick air. Let's see if we can do that. Oh yeah, it's responsive. Whoa, there we go. We got some air, boy. Okay. Dank content. It's definitely getting warm though. We're at 204, 205. She needs to breathe. Let's get some air moving. Feels good though. Feels good off-road. Mikey likes it. Definitely like it. See Trailblogger's back there. Closing the gate. Oh yeah, it gets up and goes. Brakes are phenomenal. Really good brakes. Love that. We like good brakes. Oh yeah! Excellent brakes. Okay. This thing rips. It is a ripper. There's Hunter Dog. Hey Hunter Dog! Well, I like this thing. I like it a lot. Feels really good off-road. Hey folks, I'm back. Just did a little rip around Trailblogger's track. Brandon said find a dirt road, so I did. He's gonna think I wrecked his bike. I've been gone for like a half an hour. Well, I gotta say my initial impressions are I really like this thing. It feels rock solid, stable, very lightweight. Suspension feels good. The brakes are fantastic. I absolutely love the dash. Things I don't like. I mean, you can see the blinkers flopping around. They're super flimsy. Whatever. That's how all these bikes are. I don't like the mirrors. It's super nitpicky little stuff. I could definitely see myself picking one of these up. Am I going to? I don't know yet. But it's certainly a contender. It's a really good bike. Plenty of power. It's a 430. This thing has plenty of power too. Well, thanks ZenDiime for letting me ride your beta. It's dope. Mikey likes it. I was hoping I could rip a big stinker on your seat, but it didn't happen. No Burrito Bandito today, sadly. I would have liked one. Yeah, brakes are awesome. Oops, I'm an asshole. Oh, that air feels so good. I got really hot. I was sitting in the BSing with Trailblogger and his wife. Yep, some bar risers, a seat, some spoke weights. That's all she would need. I'm really impressed how good this thing feels for being completely stock. The fueling is like perfect. No hiccups, no hesitation, no bogging. When you get on it, it responds right away. Yeah, this thing is awesome. We're in neutral. This one doesn't have a neutral light either, which sucks. I wish they would, but otherwise, zero complaints. All right, that's my initial impressions. Peace out.